In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to reset CIBC Online Banking password. Let's get started. First, launch your app, then navigate to the login page, then click on the option having trouble logging in. Now go ahead and select the option forget password. Now you'll need to verify your identity. Go ahead and type in the user ID, then the email address that is linked with your account. Now you'll be receiving verification code in the phone number or the email address that you have entered. So you'll need to type in that code. Once verified, you'll be taken to the password reset page. Here you need to create a new secure password. Make sure it includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters for better security. Enter it once, then confirm it by typing it again. After successfully updating your password, you can go back to login screen and sign in using your new credentials. And that's it. This way you can easily reset CIBC Online Banking password. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.